How to get a black background on Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Now, if you want to get a black background on your Instagram story, then you are at the right place. So let's dive right in. First of all, open up your Instagram app and then tap on Add to your Story option on the top left and choose any photo that you want to post. Now, it doesn't matter which one because you are converting it to a black background. So, tap on the three dots on the top right corner and then tap on Draw. Now, make sure that you choose the paint icon, the first one, and once you tap on it, just hold onto the picture and voila, the color changes to whatever color that you have chosen below. So if you want to black, you just have to set it to black and then tap and hold the picture again. And there you go. The background will change to black. It's that easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and comment down below if it works for you. And please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.